Why does your scanner show the P22AE engine code? What does it mean? P22AE is a diagnostic trouble code 02 Sensor Reference Voltage Circuit, or Open Bank 1 Sensor 2. The P22AE engine code indicates the ECM or PCM has detected a missing, interrupted, or out-of-range reference voltage to the downstream oxygen sensor on the passenger side of the engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or open wiring, corroded or loose connectors, failed oxygen sensor, short to ground or battery, faulty ECM or blown fuses. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, Kia, Honda, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.